Hello, and welcome to Yes You Can DIY Digital Marketing by TTG. Today, we're going to look at 10 quick tips to help you get the most out of ChatGPT. The first tip is, where do I start? If you're a total newbie and you don't know how to start a chat for the first time, once you're logged into ChatGPT, simply click here on New Chat and you'll have the empty message box here and put in a question or a request. For example, and then you can hit enter or you can click on this button. Okay, now that we know how to do that, a good place to start is by asking ChatGPT something you already know. This is a good way to get you comfortable with it so you can assess whether or not it's giving you accurate information. Now, I have some that I already created here on the left-hand side. These are all of my chats with ChatGPT. And if we look at this one called character count in Excel, I asked it, what Microsoft Excel formula can I use to count the characters in ad copy I'm writing? And it gave me the correct response. The function is called len. So this gives me confidence that it can answer some Excel questions. However, it's not perfect. I have asked it other Excel questions and then found better solutions on YouTube. But this is a good way to get an idea of how it answers and what kind of formats it gives you and what kind of information it gives you. Another thing you can do is ask it something that you want to learn about, and then you can cross-reference any facts that it gives you. So if I start a new chat and I'm going to copy and paste a prompt that I already have prepared about gardening, I'm asking it, what flowers could I grow in New England that would do well? And it gives me this list. And this is just a good shortcut. You can go through these and copy and paste them into Google and look at some websites that have expertise on the subject and confirm whether or not the information is correct. So that's a good way to get yourself comfortable before starting to use ChatGPT for something work related. Use it for something personal, something fun, something that you're interested in learning about, something you already know about, and then move on to using it for work purposes. If you'd like to see more of our content in the future, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to receive notifications. If you need a little extra help learning about ChatGPT and how to leverage it for your marketing, visit technologytherapy.com to partner up with a mentor who can walk you through step by step.